What are you thankful for this year? What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. In this vlog, you guys are gonna get to see me prep all the food and cook and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, grab your snacks, and tune in for this video. Also, comment down below of what are you thankful for this Thanksgiving. I think honestly I'm thankful for me and just like all the accomplishments I made this year for myself and not letting excuses hold me back for my opportunities. So what are you thankful for this year? Comment down below. Okay, so this is just some of the stuff that we got last night from the store. We ended up getting 2 of these vanilla extracts, y'all, because I need one for the ham, one for the yams, and then we got all of the pans that we're gonna need. So after I saw a recipe last year on how to make a juicy oven roasted turkey, I have not made another chicken without the bag. So I got these baking bags from Kroger. We got these paper plates. I'm not gonna show y'all all the food because y'all gonna see when it all comes together. Okay, so we're about to get our chicken seasoned, and I'm putting it in the bag today, and then tomorrow before I cook it, I'm gonna leave it out for like taking the mixture of seasonings and massaging the chicken. I couldn't do that, y'all. I don't do the fucking raw meat thing. But get in every nook and cranny. So this is going to sit with the seasonings on it overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to put on this. It's probably gonna take like 2 hours to cook on 350, but also he did dry it down with some paper towels, so like it's not going on a wet chicken. Now that is done, we're gonna take this little tie that came with it. I'm gonna just tie it up. I just tucked it. Now I have seen people say poke holes in it, but we used these same bags last year with a chicken about the same size, and I didn't poke no holes. So we're about to just put this in the refrigerator and get this ready for tomorrow. So we're about to cut up this ham.
3 pounds.
So we got a 3-pound ham because we don't eat pork in this house for real. But my little brother wanted.
She don't eat pork.
What kind of ham is this?
Hickory smoke, boneless, premium boneless.
He opens things like a 3-year-old. Ah!
Should I throw this ham on?
Why would you do that?
Why wouldn't I?
Put it on here. I feel like you should cut it in half. Let me see. It doesn't come off.
No, because I didn't cut all.
Yeah, this is a perfect size, but I feel like you should cut it down in half. You'll get more slices.
They just try to hit me with a big plate, guys. Like,
This is aluminum pan.
Aluminum pan. That's even worse.
Oh
man.
my gosh.
Just trying to take a brother out.
What? So we got basically all the aluminum pans is the same size. If you say, I mean, one more time. You didn't answer not one thing. I have him now taking some butter that I've seasoned with garlic and onion powder, and he's gonna put it under the skin because that's how you get that juiciness inside. We don't have one of them injectors, so this is the best that I can do for now. But
yeah, me and Q violating this chicken.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good chicken.
Man, this chicken know each other a little too well.
You know it too well.
This motherfucker probably know my hand size. Oh. That's a size, what, 8? 7? In there?
Okay, but
I'm just like, bro.
but that's what he's doing. Then after that, we're gonna put it back in the refrigerator. So
Oh, God.
everything has been prepped for the most part.
It's like you fisting a girl.
Oh my God. Okay. So this is the glaze for the ham. We have 1 cup of brown sugar, some nutmeg, I think a tablespoon, well, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 8 tablespoons of butter. So now this is the way I wanted. I'm about to take this off this heat because we're not trying to boil it or burn it. This is the ham. So I'm about to go ahead and get this up in here. I'm not gonna uncover this until it's done. There's stuff behind here. Okay, I finished my macaroni. However, I didn't have enough cheese. Like the cheese that I got left, I need to use some of that for the top of the casserole because I wanted a little cheese on the casserole, but it's really, really cheesy and they make that sound. But I'm about to cover this up. When they get back, I think I'm gonna put the chicken on and the yams. Well, probably the chicken, because the chicken I'm trying to cook that slow. Okay, so I told you I was making a green bean casserole. I wasn't playing. All I need is a cup of cream of mushroom, and I just put 1/3 of a cup of milk in here, and then you mix that up. Okay, so this is the green bean casserole. It smells good. I can't even lie. Ham updates.
Hey, damn.
Thank you. Ham updates. So the glaze that I made tastes just like my mama's glaze. Let me see. Pour it on, yeah. The yummy yams. It's gonna be so good. Y'all haven't fucked up yams ever. So we're gonna let that cook for 30 minutes and then we're going to baste it. Yeah, look like it. We're gonna baste it and then we're gonna put it back in. Okay, so we added some more glaze. He seems to think this is better.
It's way better.
It does look better. Okay, get the aluminum foil. I'm about to put this in the oven now. Okay, so this is the chicken. It was in there for what, like 2 hours? Yeah, we're checking to see if this is finished. Also, where they at? We gotta baste the yams. This is what they look like after. Okay, y'all can't see shit. This is what it looks like after 30 minutes. Of the yams being onion. Those are not done. Okay, let's focus. So this is everything. The macaroni, the yams, the green beans back there, the ham, the chicken, cornbread, and Hawaiian rolls. That is our Thanksgiving.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.